Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Are you enjoying your holidays? Okay children, today onwards we will start our science class. Take your science book with your classwork note. Okay. First chapter from your science book, page number 1, living and non-living things. What is the meaning of living things? உயிருள்ள பொருட்கள். What is the meaning of non-living things? உயிரற்ற பொருட்கள். Okay. Dear children, we can see many type of things around us. Yes or no? Some of them living things, some of them non-living things. நம்மளை சுற்றி நிறைய பொருட்கள் இருக்கு. அதெல்லாம் சிலது உயிருள்ள பொருட்கள், சிலது உயிரற்ற பொருட்கள். Yes or no? Let's learn about living and non-living things.
Dear children, I will give some more picture for you. Listen nicely, all of you look at the picture. There are two boxes are there. One is living things, another one is non-living things. The first picture, a tree. It is a living things because it can grow, breathe, feel. So it is a living thing. Next picture, a cat. A cat is a living thing because it can move from one place to another place. It can breathe, feel. Yes or no? So it is a living thing. Next one, a girl. She also a living thing because she can breathe, feel, move, reproduce, grow, eat food. So she also a living thing. Next one, flower. It is a living thing. It can give us good smell. Next picture, a baby with a puppy. They also a living thing. They can move from one place to another place. They can play, breathe, grow. So they also living thing. Next picture, a bird. Look at the picture. It can fly, move, eat, grow, reproduce. So it also living thing. Next one, plant. It can grow, breathe, reproduce, feel. So it is a living thing. Next one, a fish. It can swim fast. Yes. So it is a living thing. Okay children, look at the next picture. There is a rock. It is a non-living things because it cannot move and no need food. Yes or no? So it is a non-living thing. Next picture, a cycle. It also non-living things because without our help it can't move from another place. Yes or no? So it is a non-living thing. Next one, a ball. It cannot move, breathe, feel. Yes or no? So it is a non-living thing. Next one, a house. It can't grow, breathe. Yes or no? So it is a non-living things. Next one, a glass. It can't grow, breathe, feel. So it is a non-living thing. Next one, a scissor. It can't move, reproduce, feel, breathe. So it is a non-living thing. Next picture, a pencil. It can't eat, grow, move. So it is a non-living thing. Are you understand? Now look at the book, all of you. The first box. In the first page, Keep your finger. You will learn about man-made and natural things. Living things move, need food to grow, feel and respond to changes around them and reproduce. Keep your finger, children, and read with me. You will learn about man-made and natural things. Living things move, need food to grow, feel and respond to changes around them and reproduce. Children, in this lesson we are going to learn about man-made and natural things. Do you know about man-made things which are made by man is called man-made things. Next one, natural things which are made by God is called natural things. Say some example. Man-made things: chair, table, mobile, laptop, TV. Yes or no? Then say some man-made things, all of you. Okay? Good. Van, bus. Very good. Okay. Next one, natural things. Say some natural things, all of you. The stars, the moon, the sun, mountains, river, animals, plants, humans, insects. Yes or no? These are natural things. Okay, children, the next box. When we put batteries in a toy car, it starts moving. Does putting batteries change car into a living thing? They are asking, if we put any battery inside the car, it can move. Yes or no? Then it is a living or non-living things? Think about that. Non-living things, because it can't breathe, reproduce. Yes or no? So it is a non-living thing. Okay, children? Dear children, now look at the book. There is a picture. Our beautiful world is made up of many things. There are many pictures are there. You look at the picture, all of you. Some of the things made by man. Some of natural things. Now, from the above given picture, find out 3 man-made things and 3 natural things. We want to write under. Okay, children, look at the book. There is aeroplane, sun, helicopter, buildings, road, car, van. There is a zoo, lion, giraffe, elephant. Yes or no? You want to write on the line. Okay? 3 man-made things and 3 natural things. Okay? This is your homework. Don't forget you write. Okay? Now you want to write on your book. Okay? Okay, children. Now class activity. You say some man-made things. Any 5? Okay. Okay. Now some natural things. Say any 5. Animals. birds. Okay, very good. Are you understand? Okay children, you want to write the homework on your book. Okay. Okay children, now turn next page, page number 2, man-made things and natural things. Say louder, man-made things and natural things. We know about that. Man-made things means made by man. Okay. Natural things means made by nature. Good. Okay children, keep your finger on. Read with me. Things like aeroplane, car, etc. are made by humans. They are man-made things. We know that. Yes or no? Aeroplane, car, computer, table, chair, van, bus, books, bag, dresses, then house, very good, cycle, these are man-made things. Next line, things like animals, plants, the sun, the moon, the stars, mountains, rivers, etc. are given us by nature. Okay, they are called natural things. Dear children, next para, keep your finger and read with me. Among the natural things, some are living and some are non-living things. Yes, some of the natural things, some are living, some are non-living thing. For example, say some living thing, birds, plants, human, animal, etc. But natural things, non-living thing, rock, mountain, river, because they no need food, they can't grow, they can't feel, so it is a non-living thing. Are you understand? Natural things liye ரெண்டு வகை இருக்குது, அதாவது living and non-living things, உயிருள்ள மற்றும் உயிரற்ற பொருட்கள். உயிருள்ள பொருட்கள் எவை? Say, மரங்கள், பறவைகள், மனிதர்கள். ஓகே. non-living things, உயிரற்ற பொருட்கள், பாறைகள், மலைகள், ஆறுகள். எஸ் ஆர் நோ? அவைகளுக்கு உணர்வில்லை. எஸ் ஆர் நோ? ஸோ it is called very good, non-living things. Very good. Okay children, now next line, keep your finger, read with me. Those who have life are known as living things. Those who have, யாருக்கெல்லாம் உயிர் இருக்கோ, வாழ்க்கை இருக்குதோ, okay, they are called living things. Okay, for example, plants, animals and human. We have life, yes or no? So we are what? Living things. Okay. Next, things which do not have life are known as non-living things. Things which do not have life, எந்த திங்ஸ்க்குலாம் லைஃப், வாழ்க்கை இல்லையோ அவைகள் non-living things, உயிரற்ற பொருட்கள். All of you think nicely. A river have any life? A rock have any life? A mountain have any life? No, because they are non-living things. Okay, example, all man-made things and some natural things like hills, rivers, soil, etc. Are you understand? Very good. Now, living things are different from non-living things in the following ways. Look at the book, all of you. There is a big picture. Okay, living things can move. Look at the picture. The first one, the center one, there is a cat. It can move. Okay, it can grow, breathe, feel. It wants food to grow because it is a living thing. Next picture, a plant. A plant can grow, breathe, feel. Yes or no? Living thing also grow. When we take a plant first, it is a seed. Do you know that? A plant first it is a seed, then it is a slapping, then it is a tiny plant, then the plant grow a tree. முதல்ல அது ஒரு seed விதையாக இருக்கும், பின்பு அது வளர்ந்து sapling ஒரு சின்ன கன்று போன்ற ஒரு சின்ன செடி. Okay, then it is become a plant and become a big tree. Are you understand? Next one, a sheep. It need food, it can eat, it can move from one place to another place, and it can breathe. Yes or no? Living things can breathe, feel. Yes or no? Okay. Next, a girl. She can breathe, she can feel, she can move one place to another place. And next, a boy. He is feel. Yes or no? We can feel. If anyone beat you means you can feel. You will cry. Yes or no? He feel rain. Okay, next picture up. There is a hen with their chick. Living things can reproduce. Okay, it can lay egg for their young ones. Okay, children. Now look at the screen. I will give you that picture. Living things can move. Keep your finger. Living things can grow. Living things can eat food. Living things can breathe. Living things can feel. Living things can reproduce. Okay, non-living things cannot do any of these. Yes or no? Non-living things cannot do these all. Yes or no? Can't move, grow, eat food, breathe, feel, reproduce. Are you understand, children? Now look at the book, page number 3. Keep your finger on. Living things move. All living things move. Animals move from one place to another to find food and shelter. எல்லா living thingsமே மூவ் பண்ணுது. Like animals move one place to another place for finding food. சாப்பாடு உணவு தேடுறதுக்காகவும், ஷெல்டர் பாதுகாப்புக்காகவும் அனிமல்ஸ் ஒரு இடத்துலேருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு செல்லுது. ஓகே, பட் பிளான்ட்ஸ் do not move like animals. செடிகளால் அனிமல்ஸ் மாதிரி ஒரு இடத்துலேருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு போக முடியாது. as they do not have to search for food. They do not need such food for them. They make their own food. அதாலேயே அதோட சாப்பாடை தயாரிக்க முடியும். But their branches, leaves, flowers can move towards the light and their roots grow towards the source of water. அதால் ஒரு இடத்துலேருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு போக தேவையில்லை. பிகாஸ் தே மேக் தேர் ஓன் ஃபுட். அதோட உணவை அதே தயாரிச்சுக்கிடுது. பட் தேர் பிரான்ச்சஸ், லீவ்ஸ், ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் they are moving. Okay, for what? Light. Plants need light also for grow. Yes or no? Their roots grow towards the source of water. Plants need light and water. Yes or no? They need to grow. So the roots grow towards the source of water. தண்ணி எங்கெல்லாம் போகுதோ அந்த பக்கமாக அந்த ரூட் என்ன செஞ்சுக்கிடும், அப்படி மூவ் பண்ணிக்கிடும். ஓகே, நான் லிவிங் திங்ஸ் டு நாட் மூவ் அட் ஆல். நான் லிவிங் திங்ஸ் அது என்ன செய்யாது, உயிரற்ற பொருட்கள் எங்கேயுமே மூவே பண்ணாது. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், எ பென்சில் வில் நாட் ரைட் ஆன் பேப்பர் ஆன் இட்ஸ் ஓன். ஒரு பென்சிலால் தானாகவே ஒரு பேப்பரில் எழுத முடியாது. எஸ் ஆர் நோ? ஆல்சோ எ சைக்கிள், a car, a toy, a ball. Yes or no? It can't move without our help. Yes or no? Okay. Now there is a picture. Look at the picture, all of you. Living things move. Mimosa, touch me not. What is the plant name? Touch me not. Do you know that in Tamil? That is Tottal Churingi. There is a plant. If we touch the plant, it is move slowly. Okay. The next picture, there is a sunflower. Sunflower also move towards the sun. Sunflower என்ன செய்யும், move பண்ணும். When the sun move, the sunflower also move towards the sun. Okay, next a man walks. Okay, a man can move one place to another place. Next picture, a dog, it's run. Next, snake. Snake crouds. Okay, snake எப்படி போகும், ஊர்ந்து ஊர்ந்து போகிறது. Okay, snake. Then a fish. Fish can swim. Yes or no? Next, birds and insects. Okay, birds can fly, insects can also fly. Okay, it can move. They are living things. Living things can move. Okay, children. Now look at the book. There is a blue box. Keep your finger on. When a living thing dies, we do not start calling it a non-living thing. We call it dead, like a dead plant or dead mouse. They were once alive. இப்போ ஒரு லிவிங் திங், உயிர் உள்ள பொருள் ஏதாவது ஒன்று இறந்து போச்சுன்னா we can't call non-living things. Okay, because it is what? Once alive. Yes or no? இதுக்கு முன்னால் அது உயிருடன் வாழ்ந்திருக்கு. So we want to call dead plant, otherwise dead mouse. Are you understand, children? Okay? Okay, children. Now turn next page. Page number 4. Keep your finger on. Read with me. Living things grow. Living things can grow. All living things grow as time passes. small living things become bigger in size. We know that a plant from a seed. Yes or no? When we take a plant, first it is a seed, then it is a tiny plant and it has become a big tree. Also like a cat. First that is a small kitten and it is become a big cat. Also human. First a human, small baby. Yes or no? Then young, after old. Okay. As time passes, we also growing bigger in size. Are you understand? சில கொஞ்ச நாட்களில் குட்டியாக இருக்கவங்களும் எப்படி ஆயிடுவாங்க, எப்படி மெதுவாக வளர்றாங்க. ஓகேயா? அது போல தான் செடியும் சின்ன ஃபஸ்ட்டு சீட்லேருந்து கொஞ்சம் சின்ன செடியாக வந்து அப்புறமா பெரிய மரமாக ஆகுது. அது போல தான் எ birds also. First a small chick, then big bird. Okay, adult bird. Okay, for example, look at the picture. They given us a big picture. Living thing grow. Okay, see, there is a baby bird. It is become a adult bird, big bird. Okay, then look at the baby. Yeah, he is become a big man, handsome man. Okay, then next picture, seed. I told you, no, seed became a big tree. Very good. A bud also, as a time pass, it is become a flower. Okay, now look at the book, the first para, second line. Non-living things cannot grow in size. Non-living things have no life, so it can't grow also. Okay, for example, a toy car cannot grow into a big car. Okay, now are you understand, children? Living things can grow. Okay, now next paragraph. Living things need food. Living things need food to grow, live. Yes or no? Look at the book, keep your finger on, read with me. All living things need food to live. All living things need food. எல்லா உயிருள்ள பொருட்களும் வளர்றதுக்கு, உயிர் வாழ்கிறதுக்கு அதுக்கு என்ன தேவை? ஃபுட். Not only food, air, water, yes or no? And sunlight. Okay, keep your finger. Food gives them energy to do work and also keeps them healthy. Food help us energy to do work. Yes or no? உணவு நமக்கு வேலை செய்கிறதுக்கு உடலில் பலன் தருகிறது. And also keep them healthy. ஆரோக்கியமாக இருக்கிறதுக்கும் ஃபுட்டு உதவுது. Okay, plants make their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Plants make their food from help of air, water and sunlight. Okay, animals get their food from plants. Some animals eat plants. Yes or no? Giraffe. Say some animals which are eating plants, grass. Goat, giraffe, horse, cow, Okay, etc. These are eating plants. Okay. Non-living things do not need food. All non-living things no need food to what? They have no life also. So they no need any food, air, water. Okay. For example, your doll will not ask you to feed her. Okay. Your doll will not ask food. Yes or no? Okay, children. Look at the book. There is a picture near the living things need food. There is a boy eating food. Have you eaten? Yes. We are eat food for grow and also health. Okay, that boy eating food to grow. Next picture, a plant. A plant need light, air, water to grow. The plants make their own food with from air, water and sunlight. Are you understand, children? Children, are you understand this lesson? What are you learn from this lesson? Living thing and non-living thing, man-made and natural things. Then living things can move, grow, reproduce, feel, breathe, eat food. Yes or no? Are you understand? Okay, children. I give you 2 questions. You want to write the answer. Read the book nicely. Then you can write the answer. Okay. Already I gave page number 1, the small homework. You want to write these 2. Okay. Every day you must read the book. Tomorrow I will check your homework. The rest of the lesson I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, children.